It's a lemon. Right? It's a lemon. Look at the lemon. Get the lemon. Proof that kittens will play with absolutely anything. That's what the name of this YouTube video is going to be. Did the cord get in your way there? You gotta jump over or under. Oh, he's just gonna do the first thing that... It's a bloody lemon. Wonder what will happen if he bites it. Can you bite it for us? For me? Can you bite it? Oh, he's literally being a freaking DJ. You can't, you need to, yeah. Oh my god, it makes me want to laugh and cry at the same time. Imagine what will happen if you bite that. Oh my goodness. Oh my, you just bit it! Did you just bite it? Yeah, he just bit it.